We'll do this. Hi, good morning. Right. Area of plane figures between two parallel lines. Now, from the very first, I will teach you everything that you need to know. Please be attentive in the class, and if you don't understand anything, you may ask directly. Okay, right. How do we understand that two lines are parallel? Understanding parallel lines. Then parallel lines, they couldn't understand. How do we understand parallel lines? Right. We know that there are certain something what we call quadrilaterals. Under quadrilaterals, we know that what are quadrilaterals? Four-sided polygons. Right? Understanding parallel lines, first and foremost, we have quadrilaterals. That is was divided into four-sided polygons. What are polygons? Four-sided, yeah. A closed figure drawn using straight lines. Because understanding parallel lines, quadrilaterals. What is a quadrilateral? A four-sided polygon. What are polygons? A closed figure drawn using straight lines. Here in this lesson, we are learning about what? What is the lesson now? Areas of plane figures. Alright. We'll speak about parallelograms. Parallelograms. What is a parallelogram? Understanding parallel lines, and we are going to learn parallelograms. Usually, a parallelogram looks like this. For it to be a parallelogram, there are certain conditions that needs to be fulfilled. We know that for a parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel and equal in length. That is, if I write AB and CD, here I can say that AB parallel to CD, also AB is equal to CD. In this instance, AC parallel to BD, also I can say that AC is equal to BD. This is what a parallelogram means, right? So how do we understand parallel lines? Very simple. Parallel lines that make them objectify. If we have an object, if we have a diagram, this is how we understand parallel lines and the figures that are drawn from parallel lines. If you look at parallel lines, the major one, are these two parallel? No, because if I extend them either way, at some point they cut or touch each other. Moreover, the height HA and HB, they are not equal. Height HA is not equal to height HB. In parallel lines, you have to always remember that the height between the two lines are the same. The lines between the two lines are the height between the two lines are the same. If extended, they will not cut or touch each other. So the only figure that we have parallelogram, the parallel lines I use is not parallelograms. We have squares, we have rectangles, everything. But for the time being, for us to understand, we will use the common term parallelogram. Again, understanding parallel lines, we have quadrilaterals. What are quadrilaterals? They are four-sided polygons. What is a polygon? A closed figure drawn using straight lines. No wavy lines, no curved lines, just straight lines. Therefore, parallelograms, children, we say that its opposite sides are parallel and equal in length. As you can see, now I can say that AB is equal to CD in length, AC is equal to BD in length, as I have shown. This is the basic overall overview that I can give for parallelograms. Please take this down.
finish sir.
හරිද? හරි. ඕකේ. දැන් අපි පොඩ්ඩක් ඕක නිකන් අපිට තේරෙන මේ ඔක්කොම ඇඳගත්තද මෙවුවා? ඈ?
සර් ඒකට උඩ එකේ චිප්ටක් ඇඳගත්තා.
මොනද?
ඒකේ එකක් ඇඳගත්තා. උඩම එක ඇඳගත්තා.
ආ. ඔක්කොම ලියාගත්ත නේද? නැත්නම් අපිට කිය ඕවා ඕනේ වෙන්නේ තියරි එක ඉස්සරහට යනකොට තමයි අසල කොහොමද ආවේ කියලා හයි. මේ නෝට් එක මේ ටෙක්ස්ට් බුක් එකේ නෑ. හරිද? මම දැන් නෝට් එක ගන්නෙ. So it's better if you can take it down. Okay? Right. Now what is the area of a parallelogram? Tell me. ඒක අපිට තේරෙන මට්ටමින් නිකන් ඔය ටික කියලාගෙන යන්න. Now there are basic types of parallelograms that we have. There are three basic types. What is it? There are parallelograms නෙවෙයි. හරිද? අමුතු අපි තේරෙන විදිහට අපි නිකන් ඔය කරගෙන යන්න. අපිට හිතන විදිහට the ones that we think are parallel, right? This is a square. We do understand that all the sides are what? Having an angle of 90 degrees. හැබැයි පොඩි කේස් එකක් තියෙනවා. පොඩි නේ ටිකක් ලොකු කේස් එකක් අතරම. You clearly see that all these sides are parallel to one another. Yes? Yeah. If I make this my base, this can be my height, correct? This is my height. හැබැයි පොඩි ප්‍රශ්නයකට තියෙන්නේ here area is base into height. You have to understand the fact that base and height are perpendicular to each other. What do you mean by saying perpendicular to each other? At 90 degrees with each other. එතකොට කොහෙන්ද මේකට 90 degrees? Look at this. Here, if this is the base, this can be our height. Understood? Height sometimes might be shown out of the figure as well. As long as it's perpendicular, we can consider it to be as our height. So now, what do we have? What is the area here? If it is 5, this is 5. So the area of the square is 5 into 5, 25 square centimeters. If this is 10 and if this is 4, area of the rectangle is 10 into 4, 40 square centimeters. And again, if this is 8 centimeters, this is 3 centimeters, it is 8 into 3, 24 square centimeters. What is the objective? We have to area is base into height. This is area is base into height, and most importantly, base and height are perpendicular to each other. In this case, for us to use base into height, we have to consider that base and height are perpendicular to each other. What do you mean by saying perpendicular? At 90 degrees with each other, and these are the respective areas of the three figures that we have. Understood, Putta? Yes?
Understood sir.
Right, take it down. හරිද පුතා?
හරි සර්.
හරි කියන්නේ හරිද? Now let's try to understand this. Then we can go for the theories later, right? We can go into deep theories later. I am using my phone because I don't have the textbook with me right now. So we will go to the deep theories later, but let's try to figure out what these parallel lines are. We'll try to understand the concept of triangles involved in this because in future we'll be learning, right? Huda, now you tell me. Can you tell me the area of triangle ABC?
180 degree.
Eh?
180 degree.
Over the bump. Area 180. The total value of angles in triangle is 180. Make it a man like that, never the heat. Correct? Now, this is 90 degrees. I need to find, we need to calculate the area of triangle ABC. Now I'm going to write some values here. CD is 10 centimeters, BD is 6 centimeters, AB is 8 centimeters. එක ලස්සන පාඩමක් තියෙනවා. Now මම දන්නේ නැහැ. So I told you that for us to find the area, the base and the height should be perpendicular to each other. If it is to be perpendicular to each other, from the largest triangle ACD, if I subtract the smaller triangle CBD, I should get the area of the desired triangle ABC. Yes or no? සම්පූර්ණ ලොකු triangle එකෙන් මේ චූටි triangle එක අයින් කරපුවාම මෙන්න මේ triangle එක එන්න ඕනේ නැද්ද? එන්න ඕනේ. What is the length AD? 8 centimeters plus 6 centimeters, 40 centimeters, 10 centimeters, 6 centimeters, 10 centimeters. So what is the area of this now? We have the base and we have the height. Yeah. So half into 14 into 10, 70 square centimeters minus half into 6 into 10, 30 square centimeters. Therefore, what is this? 70 square centimeters minus 30 square centimeters is what? 40 square centimeters. We can't do this every time. Triangle So what is it that you should understand? If this height is given as 10, you can consider the height of the triangle to be as 10. If I take this triangle, absolute triangle, if we consider the height is what now? 10 centimeters. I consider AB to be my base and the perpendicular height is what? 10. Therefore, this is 8 centimeters. Half into 8 into 10. It need not be in the triangle. Even though it is outside, you can consider it to be what? Perpendicular. And hence we get the same answer as that.
Yes sir. Yeah.
Right. Take down. Yes, there you go. Here, what you should understand is that the parallelograms, these things you should know, right? Very simple. That is how area of triangles and those things are taking in shape. Parallel line like වෙන්නේ කොහොමද? ඒ ආදී වශයෙන් සියලුම දේවල් ටික දැනගෙන ඉන්න ඕනේ. In detail.
Finish, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Right. We know how the base and the area of triangle, right? So if a triangle is given, even though man කියන දේ පාඩ තේරෙනව නේද? බාධා ප්‍රශ්න නෑනේ.
නෑ නෑ, sir.
pronunciation සමහර කට්ටියට අවුල් වෙනවා ඒකයි, right? Anyways, fine. Now if you look at these three figures, now I'm going to ask you certain simple questions out of it, right? Okay. Then hari සරල ප්‍රශ්නයක් මම මේකෙන් අහන්නේ. This is there in the textbook itself, but let's see. Okay. D, F, C, E, A, B. This is parallel. This is parallel to this, and these three are parallel. Puta, how do you understand this? Now, this is the most important part in learning anything. Now, you should understand that, right? A, B is there. Then there are two sets of parallel lines. Take care of it. With three lines, correct? Yeah. Now, if these two lines are parallel, if AB is parallel to DE, then of course the height between these two parallel lines are the same, correct? Height between the two parallel lines AB and DE are the same. Height between two parallel lines AB and DE are the same. Alright. Having said that, AB මේ වань මෙහා ලස්සන කතාව මෙතන තියෙනවා. AB හරි. Here both parallelograms have the same base AB. They have the same base AB. But the other lines they change. CD, FE, we know that DC and FE lie on the same line DE. DC and FE lie on the same line DE. Therefore, what can I say about the two areas of these two parallelograms? Area of parallelogram ABCD is equal to area of parallelogram ABEM. What is the reason? Lie between the same pair of parallel lines and have the same base AB. Then lie between the same set of parallel lines the height is what? Height neither. Here, high-tech में both parallelograms have the same base AB, and on a special note, DC and FE lie on the same line, DE. Therefore, what can I say about the height between the two parallel lines? Area of parallelogram ABCD is equal to area of the parallelogram ABEF lie between the same pair of parallel lines and have the same base AB. मैं बता देना देख
තේරුණා සර්.
take it down.
Okay sir.
Right. Now, let's see. I have a rectangle 10 centimeters, 8 centimeters. Area of rectangle ABCD is 10 into 8, 8 is square centimeters. A, B, C, D. These two sides are parallel and equal. Parallel and equal. If I draw a line like this, we do understand that here is a triangle. CDB. Then we get rectangle ABCD and triangle BCD have the same base CD and lie between the same pair of parallel lines AB and CD. Rectangle ABCD and triangle BCD have the same base CD and lie between the same pair of parallel lines AB and CD, which gives us the idea that this is 10 centimeters, this is 8 centimeters. But we know for a fact that area of a triangle is half into base into height. As I've explained before, base and height should be perpendicular. What is it now? Half into 10 into 8. 40 square centimeters. Now, rectangle ABCD and triangle BCD have the same base CD and lie between the same pair of parallel lines AB and CD. In such a case, area of the triangle is half the area of the, we'll use parallelogram. Here the parallelogram is the rectangle ABCD. As you can see, they are parallel. Opposite sides are parallel and they are equal. And now we have a triangle out of it. Is a triangle. Yeah? Yes. Now the triangle also, they both have the same base CD. Area of the triangle is half into base into height, half into 10 into 8, which is 40. Area of triangle ABCD is 10 into 8, 8 square centimeters. Rectangle ABCD and triangle BCD have the same base CD and lie between the same pair of parallel lines AB and CD. In such a case, area of the triangle is half the area of a parallelogram. So if you have two parallel lines and if the triangle and the parallelogram, they both have the same base, we can come to a conclusion that area of the triangle is half the area of the parallelogram. Understood, Putha?
Yes, sir.
Right, good. Take it out.
Okay, sir.
Puta, have you checked out my YouTube channel?
No, sir.
Yeah, that's by Viraj, right? You can check it out because it's going to be views and it'll be easy for you to get things on, right? It can be for you to understand certain theorems that are there, it'll be of great help because I have done many videos in it and the live videos of teaching even this right now. What I'm teaching is like streamed live, so it'll be easy for you to get it. Understand the things that are there.
Okay, sir. I will subscribe.
Right. Oh, now let's look at this. So, දැන් මේක එහෙන lazy scene එකක් තියෙන මෙතනින් ගන්න. හරිද? දැන් අපි බලමු let's look at another figure over here. Right. දැන් අපි හිතනවා හැම වෙලාවෙම parallelogram එකක්ම වෙන්න ඕනේ කියලා. No. This is not a parallelogram පුතා. What is this? This is a trapezium. Yeah. CD AB. Now, how many triangles do you see here? Eh?
Oh,
හතරක් පේනවද ඔයාලට? How sad. මෙතන මම triangle හයක් විතර තියෙනවා. හතරද වෙන්නේ? C's.
sir. Hatara, hayak pe.
මොනවද කියන හයම කියන්න හය.
Kai.
හතරේ දැකයි දෙකයි තුනයි කියලා හරියන්නේ නැහැ. මට කියන්න මොනවද හය කියලා. මෙතන B කියලා එක්ක දාන්නම් කොහොමද කියන්න.
CDV එකයි.
CDP එකයි,
APC එකයි.
APC එකයි, දෙකයි.
APCDC එකයි.
යකෝ triangle එක තුනයි දෙන්න ඔබ හයක් විතර කිව්වා.
ADC එකයි.
ABC එකයි,
BCD එකයි.
BCD එකයි,
APB එකයි.
ABB එකයි. කීයද දැන් ඒතර ඔක්කොම?
හයයි.
හයයි. Very good. දැන් මේක අපිට මේ මොකක්ද දාන්න නැහැ. What is it? කොහොමද දෙන්න ඕනේ? Should share the same base and should be between the same pair of should share the same base and should be between the same pair of parallel lines. I'm going to put a CD. compare. CD එකේ තියෙන triangles දෙකක් නේද? CD. Now what is the other side that is parallel? AB. Therefore I can say triangle ACD is equal to triangle BCD in area. Why? Same base CD between CD and AB. හරිද? අනෙක් පැත්තට ගත්තොත් ඒත් එමම තමයි. හැබැයි පොඩි වෙනසක් තියෙනවා. A B D C. Triangle ABD is equal to triangle ABC in area. What is it? Same base AB between AB and CD. අර මම පුතා කියව triangles 6න් නේද? 6න් තියෙන විතර 4ක්. ඇත්තටම ගෝල් triangles එක්තරා ප්‍රමාණයක් දිනක ඊට වඩා තියෙන විතර. මෙතන triangle ACB ADC ADB අනිත් පැත්ත ගත්තොත් CDA CBD මෙතන P කියලා ගත්තොත් තව 4ක් වෙනවා. CPD APB CPA එතකොට මේ triangles 8ක් විතර තියෙනවා විතර. හරිද? දැන් අපි එහෙම තමයි දැන් untrained අය නුපුහුණු මනසකට ඕක පේන්නේ මුලින්ම පේන්නේ 4ක් වගේ. ඊට පස්සේ ටිකක් වෙලා බලාගෙන ඉන්නකොට 6ක් පේනවා. තව ටිකක් වෙලා බලාගෙන ඉන්නකොට 8ක් පේනවා. ඒ වුණා ඉදිරි ගිය 20ක් විතර වෙන්නේ නැහැ. ඒ වුණත් අපට ලෙඩක් මේක ගන්න වෙනවා. So triangle ACD is equal to triangle BCD in area. Why? Same base and lie between the parallel CD and AB. Here, Marian, ACD when I ABD when I. If these two parallel triangles, these two triangles have the same area, and these two triangles they have the same area. Okay, understood? Take it out.
Yes.